Alrighty, so we're back. We're going to be doing some upgrades. We're going to paint the valve covers, and then we're going to do an intake upgrade, and then we're going to be doing a distributor upgrade as well. We're getting rid of the DuraSpark on these since they're so lovely. So nice thing. It's cold. I don't know if that shows up on the camera, but it's pretty cold out. But you know, we gotta keep on keeping on in the tent garage build. I'll probably do a time lapse of just doing everything, and then I'll bring you along if I feel like there's something that y'all should know. I'll bring it back, but I'll do a time lapse. Alright, so just going to clean the last little bit up with some brake clean. Then we do the wall of silicone china on there. We'll grab the gasket set, and then we'll put it back on. See you guys in a second. Alright, so that's where we're at for tonight. Got the intake in, got it all torqued down. Gonna let the silicone set up tonight, and then we're gonna come back. I gotta paint the valve covers, put the new carb on, and then hopefully by then the new distributor will be here, because that's kind of ugly. Yeah, so we got the new distributor and all that. Yeah, that's definitely ugly. I left that in there just because I didn't want anything falling down the hole. Made it a little difficult trying to install something, but they did say if you had the DuraSpark, it would fit, and I can confirm it does fit. But that's it for tonight. We're going to I don't even know what time it is. It's late and it's getting cold, but yeah, I'm gonna put some cardboard on top of this so nothing falls down, and then I'll be back tomorrow with some clean valve covers and hopefully painted. Alright, see you tomorrow. Catch you up. We got the intake on. I got the valve covers painted. We're gonna clean up the area, and we'll get the new distributor in. We got rid of the DuraSpark distributor, and then we're gonna install, I gotta put that there, but we're gonna install the valve covers that we painted and cleaned, and then we will get we'll probably do the distributor first, because yeah, those are fun. But yeah, it's actually gonna supposedly wake up this motor with the new distributor that we got. And carb, we went from 2-barrel to a 4-barrel, so that's definitely an upgrade. But yeah, let's get after it. I'll put you on a time lapse and we'll throw it all in real quick. Alrighty, so that is going to conclude this one. We've gotten the intake on, valve cover's painted, and we will throw the air cleaner on shortly, as soon as that comes in. But we are waiting for the headers now, so we can do the exhaust, and then we are on to the next for do some wiring and probably do that off camera because I feel like everybody else is different when it comes to wiring up their truck. But that's the upgrade for the intake. We got the new distributor in. Only bummer about it is the blue cap for some reason wasn't fitting right. So I tried the other cap that it came with, the red one. I'm gonna call them and ask if I can get a replacement one for the blue to match everything. But yeah, I say this is it. Next video will probably be it firing up. We'll have the exhaust hopefully by then, and then we'll get going on it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.